Okay, so we're in this attic.
Attic, yes, we are in an attic. If you can see,
Okay,
that's
interrupting me.
stairs. I'm sorry.
We think it's haunted because sometimes these doors open by themselves. We hear weird noises. Oh,
who's that? Who was that? What the crap was that? Stop!
I think something might have pulled there.
What is that? Oh my gosh! No, get me out of here now! Get me out of here!
No, we have to stay in. We have to stay in. Okay.
Don't, man. Okay. I thought I can at least see you. Please don't, man. Could maybe anything give us maybe a sign, or could you know anywhere? Give us a sign. Maybe. Just a little sign.
Yeah, let me shoot the camera.
Could you move it on to us? Could you maybe knock 3 times or something? Oh crap. What was that? No, that was not there. That was not there.
That was on top of there. By where you were standing. I think they're trying to throw stuff at us.
I'm freaked out.
Okay.
What the crap was that? No, Jake, I'm not playing. You better stop that right now.
No, we have
to. Stop knocking. Oh, are you no, are you scared? Are you that scared? Are you that scared, man? Are you scared? Dude, are you okay? Oh, God. Oh. We gotta go check on the attic. Check.
Okay, I think it's about time to stop the video.
No. Mom's here. Please. Could you give us a sign? Could you maybe knock on an object, throw an object, do whatever you did? I mean, who's that? What was that? I'm not playing.
Was that over here?
Get out.
Okay, so I think we're done in here. We're done.